Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover lost channel on Telegram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've accidentally deleted your channel, don't worry, follow these steps to try and get it back. Unfortunately, Telegram doesn't have a magic undo button for channels. But fear not, there are still some options depending on your situation. If you are the glorious owner of the deleted channel, all is not lost. You can simply recreate it. Think of it as a fresh start. Just head over to the menu in Telegram and follow the same steps you did when you first built your channel. It might take a bit of time to set everything back up, but you can make it even better this time around. But what if you weren't the owner, just a loyal member? No worries. There's a chance you can rejoin the party. Here's how. Open that handy search bar at the top of Telegram and type in the name of your lost channel. It should pop up in the search results. If it's still out there, just tap on the channel name and then the join button. Voila, you're back in the fold. Remember, while recovering deleted channels is impossible, these steps can get you back on track. So that's basically how you can recover lost channel on Telegram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.